Bay windows are a timeless design feature that can dramatically enhance both the appearance and functionality of a home. For homeowners in Austin, where natural light, outdoor views, and energy efficiency matter, bay windows offer a combination of beauty and practical benefits. Whether you're upgrading an older property or designing a new space, installing bay windows can be a smart investment. Increased natural light throughout the home. One of the most noticeable benefits of bay windows is the abundance of natural light they bring into a room. Because bay windows extend outward and feature multiple glass panels, they capture sunlight from different angles throughout the day. This helps brighten interior spaces and reduce the need for artificial lighting. In Austin homes, where sunshine is plentiful, bay windows allow homeowners to take full advantage of daylight while creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Enhanced indoor space and functionality. Bay windows create additional interior space that can be used in a variety of ways. The extended area can serve as a cozy seating nook, a decorative display space, or even additional storage. This subtle expansion makes rooms feel larger without requiring major structural changes. For homeowners in Austin looking to maximize space without a full renovation, bay windows offer a functional solution that blends seamlessly into existing layouts. Improved energy efficiency and comfort. Modern bay windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. High-quality frames and insulated glass help minimize heat transfer, keeping indoor temperatures stable. This is especially valuable in Austin, where hot summers can place heavy demands on cooling systems. By reducing heat gain and preventing air leaks, bay windows can help lower energy bills while maintaining consistent indoor comfort year-round. Increased home value and curb appeal. Bay windows are a strong visual feature that can significantly improve a home's exterior appearance. Their elegant design adds architectural interest and depth, making a property stand out. This enhanced curb appeal can be particularly beneficial for homeowners considering future resale. In Austin's competitive housing market, bay windows can boost property value by making a home more attractive to potential buyers. Better views and connection to the outdoors. With their wide-angle design, bay windows provide expansive views of the outdoors. Whether overlooking a landscaped yard, city scenery, or natural surroundings, they create a stronger connection between indoor and outdoor living spaces. Austin homeowners often appreciate this feature, as it allows them to enjoy the beauty of their surroundings while remaining comfortable indoors. Versatile design options to match any style. Bay windows are available in a wide range of styles, materials, and finishes, making them easy to customize. From traditional wood frames to modern vinyl or composite materials, homeowners can select options that complement their home's architecture and personal preferences. This versatility makes bay windows a great fit for both classic and contemporary Austin homes. Improved ventilation options. Many bay windows include operable side panels that can be opened to improve airflow. This added ventilation helps regulate indoor air quality and reduce humidity, especially during mild weather. For Austin homeowners, the ability to enjoy fresh air without sacrificing comfort is an added advantage. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Today's bay windows are built to withstand challenging weather conditions while requiring minimal maintenance. Durable materials resist warping, fading, and moisture damage, ensuring long-lasting performance. By investing in quality bay windows, Austin homeowners gain a reliable, attractive feature that enhances comfort and value for years to come. A smart upgrade for Austin homes. Installing bay windows offers a combination of visual appeal, functional space, energy efficiency, and long-term value. For Austin homeowners looking to improve both their living experience and their property's appeal, bay windows are a smart and rewarding upgrade.